Hello, young biologists. Have you ever wondered why cuts on your skin heal over time, or why you grow taller as you age? Well, all of this is possible because our bodies constantly create new cells. Imagine your body as a bustling city, old buildings wear out, streets need repairs, and new constructions happen every day. Similarly, old or damaged cells must be replaced to keep your body healthy and functioning. In this lesson, we will explore why new cells are so essential and how life maintains this incredible cycle of renewal. Think about yourself as a child. Your tiny hands and feet gradually become bigger and your body grows taller. This amazing growth happens because cells divide and multiply, increasing both the number of cells and the size of tissues. Each new cell inherits the complete set of instructions, the DNA, ensuring your body develops in a coordinated way. Growth is essentially a cellular construction project happening silently in every part of your body. Now, let's look at something more immediate. When you get a cut on your skin, your body springs into action. The damaged cells at the wound site are replaced by new cells through a process called cell division. Platelets form a clot to stop bleeding, and then epithelial cells multiply to close the wound. Notice how the body carefully replaces only what is needed. This precise repair mechanism is a marvel of biological engineering. Without new cells, injuries would never heal. Have you ever thought about why hair falls out or why old blood cells disappear? Our bodies constantly shed old or worn-out cells and replace them with fresh ones. For example, red blood cells live for about 120 days before being broken down and replaced. Similarly, the lining of your gut is renewed every few days. This continuous replacement ensures your body maintains optimal function and stays in balance. Now, let's dive into something fascinating: stem cells. Stem cells are like the master builders of the body. They can divide to form new cells, and these new cells can become any specialized type required: muscle cells, nerve cells, or skin cells. This is exactly how embryos develop from a single fertilized egg into a complex organism with trillions of specialized cells. Even in adults, stem cells play a key role in tissue maintenance and repair. New cells are not just about growth or repair, they are crucial for survival. For instance, the immune system relies on constantly producing new white blood cells to fight infections. Without a continuous supply of fresh cells, our bodies would be vulnerable to disease, unable to heal, and unable to grow. This shows how deeply cell division is linked to the very essence of life. Let's take a closer look through a microscopic lens. Scientists often study tissues to see cell division in action. In the epithelial layer of a growing root tip or in bone marrow, you can observe cells undergoing mitosis. Chromosomes align, separate, and two identical daughter cells are formed. Watching this process reminds us that life's renewal happens at a microscopic level constantly, all coordinated to keep organisms thriving.